Oh my god, it's him!
Who? Oh! Iron Raiden!
You dare challenge me? Feel the wrath of Iron Raiden.
Hey, where'd the ground go?
Puny mortals, you will fall before me like the rest of your puny race.
I have come from the ends of the earth to send you back to the evil swamp from whence you have came.
Where'd he go?
Over there. What the?
Your mortal weapons are no match for the infinite evil of Iron Raiden.
Hey! You came here to battle Iron Raiden, as did I.
Ah, that's true. Yes, over there.
Let us join together and use our tools to conquer this great evil.
Excellent, I think so. So shall we one in a strictly non-sexual manner. Ha.
Yes. Okay.
I said no touchies. Hey, let's go beat up some pansies.
You know any good pubs around here?
Yeah, there's a good one around the corner. Guaranteed fight. Plenty of big bajugators.
Hey, speaking of fight, you know that Bruce Lee guy? Knocked him out last month. Hey, piece of cake.
Oh, big boobies. I just want to see some big boobies, really.
Yeah, boobies is cool.
With the two warriors having now joined forces, they set off into the sunset in search of a place to rest and some boobies. However, they knew they were no match against the power of Iron Raiden without a cunning plan.
Okay, it's the old hammer and apple trick. You go over here and distract him by doing, I don't know, something. I go over here and mount a full-on attack, destroying his defenses and bringing Iron Raiden to his knees.
That be rubbish. Here, line. There, penis. Here, dot, vagina. Now you penetrate the outer defenses. Be careful, it will be hairy. I mean scary. And I will be ready to welcome in the other members for our little party. Over this direction. Direction.
What?
We must be certain no members
What is that?
escape our stronger home. There's one evil clam in for a licking. I must say clam. That's it. Hey, right.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Kill you.
Take on.
Kill you.
Come over here. Come this
That's
way.
it. You die.
Spit in your eyes.
Don't. And number two. Okay, now a third song. Oh, now you die. Hey, I kill you.
Keep doing nuts now.
Oh, my nuts. Nuts.
That is, I am the dominant male in this partnership. Aha! You see my victory. Aha! That's it. Come on, we need to be united to fight this evil.
Okay.
Trust in me. You got shit on your back. Come on, let's get that shit off.
What? Piss off.